Yep, looking at it now. I showed you a video just a minute ago where I had to replace the breech seal on this bad baby. Good. It's a Hatsan Blitz, 30 cal. I call it aerator, self-explanatory. This is what I got. Let me show you. This is what's in it. Right there. You see I got that 16 mag. It's some stuff. You know I get down, look. You see my finger, I'll show you. On here. Right there. All up in here, some cans and stuff. Right there. 25, 50 yards. I'm fixing to do the first shots out of it since I put the breech seal in. Now, you know that freeway is behind the camera, so I gotta be cool. People traveling don't know that in the state it's legal to have guns. Even though I don't technically have a gun. Now, this one don't want to fit, but we're gonna make it fit. Kind of see the back of it a little bit right there. Kind of tan up. Must have put the barrel in a little too far. Let's see. If I get to work, I'm gonna kind of ease the barrel back out a little bit. But here we go. Semi-automatic. That one shot. Try again. Don't want to sit in there and cycle. Don't want to cycle because it's too tight. But as you can see, it is shooting again. Yeah, I'm going to have to take it, loosen the barrel out. Sitting in there, too tight. Don't want to shoot. What you see every time I do shoot, look. I hear something. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on full auto, see if that works. Nope. So, you see us back working to a degree. Like I say, the problem is not the gun, it's the magazine. Yeah, try. Try it one more time, see if it go in. Nope, I can see it. I see it don't want to fit. I'm doing that Maccabee speed shit where he just tears shit up. Alright, I ain't gonna give it no more until it's fixed right.